Hey guys, just a couple of products to show you today off the Nespresso website, ones that I've been asked to review in the past. Well, the syrups we actually have reviewed in the past, but last year they were different flavours, weren't they? So we're going to have a look at the flavours this year, and also the ice cube tray set. Last year they brought out those when they brought out the blue Fredo pods. They've come out again now, so we're going to be making a few ice drinks coming up on the channel over the next few months or so. So I thought I'd just get hold of these to review as well. The ice cube, looks a bit like a Rubik's Cube, doesn't it? The ice cube tray set. There's 3 layers to it. I've been asked if I'll show them on the channel, so we've got all of them. The ice cube set is £15. The syrups are £9. They're both down as limited edition. This one, the syrups, they seem to stay in stock quite often. But the ice cube set, I've noticed, goes in and out of stock quite a lot on the UK website, so if you do spot it and you want it, you might want to get hold of it pretty quick. Trying to not rip the box. Right, so there's the first look at the colours. So we have a grey one, what would you call that, olive?
Like a
bit lighter than that.
Taupe kind of colour.
Taupe, and then what's the bottom?
Pink colour.
Is it pink? Like
it looks like a really creamy nude colour, yeah.
So, nude, taupe.
I think so.
And grey.
Yeah.
Let's get them out, have a look at them. So they're very flexible. And the reason that they're handy, you see, is if you noticed on the channel in the past, I've made an ice frappe using the Nespresso Barista Recipe Maker. And if we have, if you have a quick look on the front, it's actually the Barista Collection. So the ice cubes are just the right size for the Barista Maker. When you get the book that comes with the Barista Maker, it says to use like 4 ice cubes or something. And they have to be a certain weight, but you're not exactly going to go and weigh them, are you? Well, I didn't anyway, so I'd imagine the ones I used were a bit too small or a bit too big. Looking at the size of these here, I think the ice cubes I was using were a little bit too small. So it's good to know that they're just the right size for the recipes on the site. There are quite a few recipes on the Nespresso website now. Just let you have a look at that again. So you can see they're very flexible. But yeah, they just stack as a 3. So you're getting, what, 9, 18, 27 ice cubes. There are cheaper versions out there. These are the Nespresso ones. But, you know, if you go on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description to that. You can find a lot cheaper versions. But it's just whether you like them. And they're not insanely expensive for a treat or a gift, are they? £15, and if you get 20% off, it's taking it down to 12, isn't it? Got some interesting flavours this time. Last year it was coconut, caramel, and what was it again? Vanilla again, yeah. Coconut, caramel and vanilla. That was good for making the espresso martini. So check out that video. That was quite a fun one that we did. We actually included this in our gift ideas video that we did last year. I'm sure this was in there. But the vanilla flavour and the saffron flavour are fairly obvious if you've had those spices or things in the past. The tiki flavour is a lemon and lime flavour, just in case you're wondering what that was, which is again going to match up really well with ice drinks, isn't it? So I hope that's give you a little bit more information on those. Do let us know what you think of both products. You know, the ice trays, do you think they're overpriced? Do you think they're reasonable for what they are? Did you prefer the blue ones last year? Do you like the colour of these? Great to hear your comments. The syrups, have you got any drink ideas for those? As I say, we're going to be doing some of the recipes, not just frappes, but other ice recipes that's on the Nespresso website or other ones that we can find. So we're definitely going to try a few of them out this year because it's really heating up now, isn't it? So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like it if it's helped you or if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future upcoming videos, and bye for now.